Welcome to my video about DeepSeek R1 chatbot. In this video you will learn how to make chatbot which is communicating with locally installed DeepSeek on Ollama. Before demo, subscribe our channel and don't forget to like this video. Okay great, let's see demo first, then we will explain each step of code. Okay, let's first run the Streamlit command, which will open browser with application. Running, Streamlit is a library. What is Streamlit and how it works, I will explain it later. Now you can see, when we run the command it has automatically opened the web page, which is front-end page, where we have text boxes as input. This input is prompt, which will pass to Ollama. We have already Ollama is running with DeepSeek model. I will try different prompts to show you it's working. When I input the text value, it passes to API call using DeepSeek model, and it get the result from the Ollama and pass to Streamlit frontend. The page is loaded with port 8501. Okay, now let's try another prompt. Let's ask what is DeepSeek R1 to chatbot. Okay, as you can see it has given us response in Chinese language. Okay, let's see the code behind this chatbot. Now it's time to explain you each step, one by one. Let's explain it. Streamlit is an open-source Python library for building interactive web applications quickly and easily, primarily for data science and machine learning projects. It allows developers to create data-driven apps with minimal code using simple Python scripts. Streamlit provides built-in widgets like sliders, buttons, and charts, enabling interactive user interfaces without complex front-end development. It supports seamless integration with Pandas, Matplotlib, Plotly, and other popular Python libraries. Applications built with Streamlit can be deployed as standalone web apps or shared with others via cloud platforms. Ollama is a framework for running and managing large language models, LLMs, locally on your device. It enables users to run AI models like Llama 2, Mistral, and Code Llama efficiently on personal hardware. Ollama simplifies model deployment, offering an easy-to-use command line interface and API support. It allows offline AI processing, enhancing privacy and reducing dependency on cloud services. Designed for developers and researchers, Ollama optimizes performance and accessibility of LLMs for various applications. DeepSeek is an AI research organization focused on developing advanced large language models, LLMs, and AI-driven tools. It provides high-performance models optimized for natural language understanding, code generation, and AI applications. DeepSeek's models are designed to be efficient, scalable, and capable of running on various platforms. It aims to push the boundaries of AI research, competing with models like GPT, Llama, and Mistral. DeepSeek offers both open-source and proprietary AI solutions for developers and enterprises. Import Streamlit, a Python framework for creating web applications. Import requests imports the requests library to make HTTP API calls. Import JSON imports the JSON library to handle JSON responses from the API. Ollama API URL sets the URL for the Ollama API running locally on port 11434. Model name specifies the AI model to be used for generating responses, in this case it is DeepSeek R1. Initialize chat history in session state. Checks if messages is already present in session state. If not, initializes it as an empty list. Session state helps store chat history across multiple interactions. Display previous messages in the chat. Iterates over all saved messages. Displays each message inside chat bubbles. Accept user input. Provides a text input box for the user to enter a question. The user input ensures that the input field retains state between interactions. Process user input. If user_input is not empty, displays the user's message inside a user chat bubble. Stores the message in session_state.messages for chat history. Send request to the Ollama API. Sends a post request to the Llama API with model DeepSeek R1 as defined earlier. Prompt, the user input as the query. Stream equals true, enables streaming response, meaning the AI will send chunks of data instead of waiting for the full response. Process AI response, streaming. Initializes an empty string to store the ARI's response. Reads the response line by line in streaming mode. Each line contains a JSON object from the API. If the line is not empty, it decodes it from UTF-8 format. Parses it as JSON. If the JSON data contains a response field, the response text is added to ARI_response. If there's an error, parsing JSON displays an error message. Displays the ARI's response in a chat bubble labeled ARI. Stores the ARI's response in session_state.messages for future reference. This Streamlit chatbot stores and displays chat history, user and AI messages. Accepts user input via a text box. Sends user queries to the Llama API. Streams AI-generated responses and processes them line by line. Displays AI responses and stores them in session history.